Hi guys, I woke up a little late today, but happy Friday. It's Friday and it's 7:39 and we're gonna get ready to do the bike. Let's go.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up.
So Mom, what are we doing today?
Right now, I'm just chillaxing.
Nice. We had a little picnic, didn't we?
A little picnic.
Hi guys, it is currently 6:36 p.m. and I just drinking some water. Did you remember to drink your water today? I hope so, because it was hot. Oh my gosh, sorry, I had a spasm in there. Anyway, it was quite the day. I got up around like 7:30, got up late, and then had to work out. Otherwise, I'm not a nice person if I don't move my body. It just makes me feel better. And by the way, for me to say moving my body makes me feel better is absolutely insane, because I used to be the person who, I still don't have the best relationship with movement, but now that I've found something that works for me in my adaptive new step bike, and like lifting weights and shadow boxing and Zumba and stuff like that, like it's true, it does make you feel better, and it clears your mind of the cobwebs and stuff. At least for me it does. But yeah, this is coming from somebody who's always obviously has had like a broken physical body, just like, showed up here like that, born with it. Like I use a wheelchair and stuff. And then just like through all the years of physical therapy, because I used to go to weekly physical therapy, from like 3 years old to maybe 14. And then I kind of stopped, and then I went back for a little bit, like on and off through like high school, and then finally after high school I was just like, you know what, this isn't for me anymore. It's still great for some things. Like back around Easter time, I went for a specific thing, and it wasn't like I wasn't sitting in a gym / open space doing like, 10 reps of this. I was like doing stuff to help a specific area, which I mean, you could say that the childhood physical therapy was to do that too, but it's just different. And even when I was recovering from my surgery in March, March, it's almost going to be 2 years this coming March, which is crazy. So, but like I told them, I was like, listen, because I had in-home physical therapy and occupational therapy, because I was not able to function the way I needed to, because I was just so weak and sick and just not able to function the way I needed to after all the surgery madness and complications. And it wasn't even the surgery, it was the complications afterwards that was insane. But I told him, I was like, listen, I don't want to be sitting here doing 10 reps of exercises. I just want to be able to get to where I was a month ago, you know what I mean? And they were very understanding and stuff, and I have been able to get to where I was and make more progress too. So all of that to say is I need to move my body in the morning, otherwise I'm not a nice person. Like, I just feel better when I move my body and I'm nicer to people. Anyways, and then I had to shower and get ready for the day, and then I was chatting with my good friend Lisa, had a quick breakfast, and then we went to this like nature kind of spot in the middle of nowhere that has like a bunch of picnic tables and like a waterfall that you guys saw. But I had to put music over all that because my niece enjoyed like throwing rocks into the water and like skipping them, like people do on the water. And honestly, it was hot as beans outside today. It was like really hot today. But yeah, that was our day. We just kind of took the day to hang out and chill and have a family day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Friday and happy weekend, and I'll see you later.